He'll never watch this, so he won't know I was late doing it. The check engine light has gone off. That makes no sense.
I'm a bunny.
Wave at Daddy. Here he comes. Wave at him. There.
Green. Get him up. Woo!
Bias stands with all our friends. Give us Lord our daily bread.
Ice cold. So.
Go fast. Do it. You go fast.
Put your hands up. All right. Cradle 1, 2. Were you? I'm blessed. No, because like. What is it?
This is longer than the other one.
I think it's probably the same as the old bee.
It's a very big. But it's very
Definitely fancy.
It goes like
Do what?
it's spangled. Why did we buy a new one anyway?
Said the old ones.
How did it worn out?
You so a lot of
We're gonna take this one, dirty. I'm cutting it.
Said it's fancy.
It ought to be fancy.
Yeah, it should.
It's cut itself.
It should.
Daddy, is this longer than the other one?
Does it go on our trailer that we already have, our header car?
Daddy, I
Oh, took me down. You knocked me down. You knocked me down. Joey, you knocked me down.
The wind is blowing.
Whee!
When do you think you'll cut corn?
Whee!
lost your phone.
Yep.
Daddy!
I don't know how to get started today. I got to fix the spring.
Well, then why didn't you tell my mama that? Why does the man?
Y'all, look at Joey ducking down like she can't. Wait.
Watch me climb it.
Fast.
How does it get over there?
All that blowing and stuff. Gotta get this water stuff running.
He knows. He just feels sorry for you, so he ain't gonna comment.
Not first, you last, isn't it, right there? Second place is the first loser.
Well, you can be my first loser then.
To the fair, get some more popcorn, remember that? I ain't gonna buy them for $14. I can buy 2 more bags. I can nip and buy the whole food truck. Oh, you know, unplug it.
You want me to unplug it?
Yeah, some of them don't. He said 30% chance it's gonna rain down. But 3
That is funny.
3 out of 10.
Is that really a thing? That the cows
All
laying
the old
down?
folks used to say if cows laying down, it's gonna rain. But all the cows stand up now, so
Oh, so
probably
we good. We good. We can
Yeah,
cut
one
corn.
with 2 laying down, so we're getting like 20% chance.
Call Daddy and tell him a 20% chance now we gonna cut.
Actually, it was only 1 laying down. So we done dropped back to a 10% chance of rain. All the cows are up except for them other 2 we saw. Just come back by Glenn's. 2 of them 3 cows and got up, so I reckon ain't but a 10% chance of rain now.
Oh, I hear you. Well, that's good. That's good.
All right, I just want to let you know you ain't got. Don't stare at the sky. They done got up now, so the chance of rain's going down.
I got you. Okay.
All right, I'll see you. Make it.
You are not. I didn't know you were really calling me.
I knew he'd laugh. This barn right here look bright. Look how bright that is.
Oh wow, it looks pretty.
I've never seen.
Let me
The problem when you get that bright, you get green.
Do what?
You catch a little green. Yeah, all of them. I'm just gonna check them. Walk them forward and see if they're all on 160. I slowly went back up so it don't scald it. Alright, check it out.
Babe, checking barns together.
Till I get 145. 145.
Catch me. Can you? Oh, you did good. I love you. Jeremy,
Hold on. This one I always have a problem with.
I'm getting ready to stop and give my husband some lunch. It's like 12:30 and I had planned on getting my children to my mom and being back home before 10 or 10:30. I really have it going on. It really doesn't matter what time I get up. I'm gonna be late. Always. I took the kids to take some pictures in the tobacco because they're almost finished pulling. And I wasn't sure when I would have them again to do it. So I put a black shirt on all of them this morning, some blue jeans, and Joey acted like a little hind part. She was not having it at all. So I hope she's good for my mama, who is an angel for always keeping children for us. And it makes a big difference when we're in and out of tractors and dump trucks, not to have to take the kids with us. Last year, Joey rode with me all during corn because she was still just a tiny baby and I was nursing, so she didn't really have a choice. But she would not like to be confined to that car seat for hours now. So I'm just late to go cut corn. Some rain over the weekend from the hurricane that hit Florida, and I don't know why that's right there. Why is there wheat there? I don't know. But anyways, they had to clean this pit out, and now he wants me to make sure it's going in the right bin when I get it started. We normally put corn in the big bin right there, But the corn wasn't really hitting on much this year because we didn't get rain when it needed it. So we're putting it in a smaller bin, and he wants me to climb to the top of it in a second and make sure it's going in there. Let's see what we got. Let's put a fan on to try to blow some of the dust. Crazy. This is not good. Goodness. It looks like he tried to fix something, but I hope he taped off that up there. I've never climbed up here before. I better use 2 hands. Sounds like it's going in there, doesn't it? Yep. I should not have climbed up there while nobody is here. I would have fussed at anybody else I love for doing that. What's it doing? I need to lift it up. What is this? Ryan! What is this? So thankful that he hasn't asked me to get in that grain cart today. He said the dump trucks were keeping up for us to just keep on coming. So here I come in the dump truck. He's the man. Same place, yes sir. Thank you. 2 dumps ago, Ryan asked me to turn the fan on this green bin, and I forgot until I just got here. My bad. Not even sure if I know how to do it. Oh yeah, I got this. Why does it look like it's already on? He'll never watch this, so he won't know I was late doing it. I feel like I have at least half a bushel of corn in my loop. done. Oh, we didn't empty it out. Put up new lights. Let's see. Ooh, fancy. The corners right here at the back never go out, and we have to shovel them. When my dad and I are both here, I always try to get mine cleaned out before him, and I never beat him. Ever. He can start 3 minutes after me, and I never beat him. Ever. I just stopped by here to turn the lights off because Ryan decided that we were finished, and he emptied in the grain cart that's in the field, and he took the dump truck home so that he could check tobacco barns. And I came by here just to turn the lights off and the fan off, and I don't even know how that just happened in my car. I couldn't even video myself until I got out. My daddy was coming back to help me. I thought we were gonna need something to pick my car up, but Ryan told me to put it in 4-wheel drive, and it came out, and it doesn't look like anything is messed up. But I don't even understand how the grate is all the way over there. Crazy. I don't even know what just happened, but I'm glad everything's okay. I mean, we pull through here with the trucks all the time. I guess my narrow tires just made it do something funny, but I don't know how it got all the way over there. I mean, we drive over it all the time, and that doesn't happen. Do what?
Sweep that stuff away. We don't want it.
I will. I just don't understand. It's like it flipped over.
Oh, put that back on top of it.
I just laughed out loud. My check engine light has been on for a few days. It was definitely on earlier today. I just dropped my back end down into the auger pit at the grain bins and put it in 4-wheel drive to get out. Thought we were gonna need like a front end loader to lift me out, and the check engine light has gone off. That makes no sense. Did you have to light the ones y'all pulled today? Said you're weird.
What?
Said you're weird.
Do what?
Weird.
Sometimes it never leaves.
I didn't get to see it again. It smells so good.
Lay back. That's why I've been so slow.
Sing it. Farm Life coming in at 9:15. My sweet parents had the babies tonight so that we could work late and get back going in the morning.